Good residents of Lake Worth Beach, every day while I carry out my duties in our community, I am so impressed by the resilience and community spirit which many of you show in dealing with this pandemic. While some communities were forced to reclose their parks shortly after reopening, Lake Worth Beach has had no problems from people not following the guidelines, and for that, I thank you so much. Everywhere I go, I see residents wearing their masks and helping their community, whether it's volunteering at the Feeding South Florida Tuesday food drive at the Hatch, ordering food for curbside pickup from a local restaurant, or checking in on your neighbors. I thank each of you for doing your part to help your community. There is something you all can do from your chair, though, in under 10 minutes that would have a massive impact on your community. Please complete your census. All you have to do is visit my2020census.gov or call 884-330-2020 and provide your address along with the names and basic information about everyone who is living in your household on April 1st. Sunset Ridge has now passed 70% completion rate for the 2020 census. Unfortunately, some other neighborhoods have not even reached 30%, so please take a moment and complete your census now. Again, that's my2020census.gov. Remember, you do not have to wait for your paper census to arrive. You can enter your address and complete your census that way. I actually did just last week. In fact, I didn't have a number or I couldn't find my mail, and I just went on the computer and was able to complete my census, so I urge all of you to please do so. The census is looking for information on every man, woman, and child that was in your household as of April 1st. That includes family members, but also friends that are renting the spare room, traditional tenants, immigrants, and citizens alike. And 3, your identifiable information will not be shared with the city or other government agencies for 72 years. 4, if you do not complete your census now, very soon you will begin to receive in-person visits by the Census Bureau to complete the census on your behalf. If you've already completed your census, why not call a neighbor, especially if you happen to know someone in one of those neighborhoods that's under 30%, and see how they are doing. And while checking on them, ask them if they've completed their census. If they have not, help them complete it. Maybe they just need that. We need to make sure every resident is counted to help our whole community get the funding it needs for programs and services like the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP, Medicaid, health clinics, education, and so much more. Most of you know how much we rely on that. Hurricane season is fast approaching, and to help you prepare for the Refuse Division, they'll be having a residential vegetation-only amnesty pickup service beginning May 25th. The annual Vegetation Amnesty Week is designed to allow you to dispose of large amounts of vegetation prior to the commencement of hurricane season. To take part, please place up to 12 cubic yards of vegetation, roughly that's about 4 refrigerator size, and put it at the curb on your regular scheduled pickup day, and the City of Lake Worth Beach's Refuse Division will remove it at no charge. Zone 1, your day is Monday, May 25th. Zone 2, your day is Thursday, May 28th. Zone 3, Friday, May 29th. And finally, Zone 4, your day is Tuesday, May 26th. To ensure that your vegetation is collected, please make sure your pile consists only of vegetation with tree branches and palm fronds less than 4 feet long and 2 inches in diameter. Stumps must be less than 15 inches in diameter and less than 50 pounds. To assist our crews, please do not use your vegetation bin, but rather place all your vegetation right on the curb. If you have any questions, please call the City of Lake Worth Beach Public Services Refuse Department at 561-533-7344. Have you eaten out recently? Even though you can't sit in a restaurant, you can still enjoy some fantastic food while supporting local businesses. Take advantage of delivery and/or curbside pickup at local.lakeworthbeachfl.gov. They need your support. Palm Beach County has added even more testing sites to make it easier for all those who need a test for coronavirus to get it. Telephone registration and appointment scheduling is now available in Palm Beach County from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Individuals requesting testing will be approved through telephone screening conducted by the Healthcare District of Palm Beach County. If you feel you need a test, please call 561-642-1000. That's 561-642-1000. And visit LAKEWORTHBEACHFL.GOV/COVID-19 for details on additional testing sites. We're also working on getting some additional testing sites right here in our city, so we'll keep you posted. And don't forget that the place to get information about what's happening in Lake Worth Beach is from your city government communications team. The city website, LakeWorthBeachFL.gov, is an excellent place to start. If you're on Facebook or Instagram, please follow us at Lake Worth Beach PBC, and on Twitter, follow Lake Worth BCH PBC. If you would prefer emails, then that's easy. Sign up for our city newsletter at our website, LakeWorthBeachFL.gov. To receive urgent text messages from our emergency communication service, text Lake Worth BCH to 888-777. Please note that messages and data rates may apply. Well, with each passing day, we are getting closer to a time when we can all be together in person again. But for now, we must continue to do our part by staying apart. If you must leave your house, please wear a mask to protect others. Enjoy the outside away from others. Continue helping your neighbors. You're doing such a great job. And start to prepare for hurricane season. Complete your census and finally eat local. And again, as I always like to conclude, stay safe and please wash your hands.